Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to check out the YouTube estimated revenue of the food ranger. Ayan. Someone is requesting me to check out the YouTube estimated revenue of the food ranger. So as you can see, he has 313 video upload on his channel with 0.48 million something subscribers, with a total video views of 711,426,100. So country is China and channel type is travel. The user created March 13, 2013, and total grade is letter B plus, and social blade rank is 11,747. Subscriber rank is 2,559. Video views is 6,621st rank. Country rank is number 4. That's wow. Travel rank is number 6. So it's same as Mark Wayne's, with a high rank in social blade or in a travel. So I guess number 3. And subscriber rank for the last 30 days is 60,000. So negative 57.1%. So compared to the last month, he got a higher, or I guess double of this subscriber count. Estimated monthly earning is $3,300 to $52,500. So that is a huge amount, guys. Video views for the last 30 days is 13.1 million something, high negative 8.9%. so it's color red. So compared to the last month, maybe he got 14 million something. And total subscriber weekly is there. The graph is working good, and estimated yearly earning is $39,400 to $630,300. This is a big amount, guys. And total video views for weekly. So let's compute for the estimated monthly earnings. So he has $3,300. So we're going to compute that into peso. So we're going to times it into 48 as the exchange rate here in Philippines. So 3,300 times 48 is equal to 158,400. Wow, that's a huge amount. And that is the lower. And let's go for the higher one, $52,500. So he got 2,520,000. So that's for the estimated monthly earning of the food ranger. So as you can see, we're now here in his statistic, estimated earnings, video views, subscribers, and date uploaded videos. So as you can see, he has $94 to $1,500 estimated video for December 14, 2020, with a video views of 3,777,729. So the details is there. $102,000 to $1,600. It's a big amount, guys. And he got 10,000 subscribers. So not always he gain subscribers every time he upload videos. Sometimes he don't get subscribers. So that is the estimated YouTube revenue of the food rangers, a big channel. And I hope one day, someday, we could be like that. We could be like him. And daily average for the subscriber is 2,000, and he get 2,000. And video views is 437,685. And estimated revenue is 109 to $1,800. And then the weekly average is 14,000 subscribers to 3,063,795. And then yung estimated revenue niya is $766 to $12,300. So that's wow, it's a big amount of money. Last 30 days is 60,000 subscriber he gained, and total video views is 13,130,531. And then estimated revenue is $3,300 to $52,500. So it depends. So since this is an estimated revenue, the viewers came from different part of the world, somewhere in China, USA, Philippines, any part of the world. So that is the estimated YouTube revenue of the Food Rangers. So big shout out kay the Food Rangers. I hope he watched this video, and this is only an estimated revenue. So he is the one who only know the real revenue he get in his YouTube channel. So this is just an estimated revenue. So thank you for the Social Blade. At least we have a reference on how to check out the estimated revenue of an influencer or a blogger, a YouTuber. So that's his statistic. So let's go for his monthly gain video views for the Food Ranger. So as you can see, there is a dot in there. All you have to do is to click that dot. So there is the higher one. So May 2019, he got 30,337,482 video views. So that's wow, within a month he got that video views, 30 million. So wow, it's a huge, or it's a big video views. And for November, he got 13,903,311 video views. So compare for the last month, he got, I guess, 14 million. So let's click it. So 16,874,000. So that is the last month. So that's why he got negative, or a red percentage. So meaning the percentage that the percentage of video views he got is decrease, and as you can see, the dot is there. So just click the dot and you will see the video views out there. So don't forget to subscribe the Food Rangers, so if you are not yet connected to him. And of course to my channel, Iki Marsalas. And thank you for the Social Blade. Ayan. So the Food Ranger got a high subscriber count. So there is his subscriber count, and it's going up and down. So thank you very much Boss Orlando's Cooking for requesting me to check out the YouTube estimated revenue of the Food Rangers. So that's for today's video, guys, and thank you for watching this vlog. Hope to see you on my next vlog. Keep safe everyone, and bye bye.